In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscriptions for digital products in Wix. If you sell downloads, templates, presets, or access to digital content and want predictable, recurring revenue, subscriptions are a great way to package and price your offer. Before we begin, make sure you already have a digital product set up in your Wix store and that payments are enabled on your site, so customers can be billed automatically on the schedule you choose. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and heading to the catalog. This is where all of your products live. Find the digital product you want to offer as a subscription. Hover your mouse over that product and open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots. From there, select Edit Product to open the full product editor. In the product editor, scroll down until you see the subscription section. This is the area where you'll define how the subscription will look to customers and how often they'll be billed. Click Create a Subscription to start configuring your plan. Begin with a clear, customer-friendly name. This is what buyers will see in the cart, at checkout, and on their invoices. So make it specific and benefit-driven, like monthly access or pro downloads membership. Next, add a concise tagline. Think of this as a short promise or summary that clarifies the value, such as new files every month or unlimited updates included. Keep it straightforward so shoppers instantly understand what they're getting. Now, set the billing schedule. Under Repeats Every, choose whether the charge recurs weekly, monthly, or yearly. Pick the cadence that matches how often you deliver value. Weekly is great for frequent updates, monthly is the most common for ongoing digital content, and yearly works well for premium bundles or memberships with long-term access. If you want the subscription to end automatically, use the expires after option and select a fixed number of billing cycles, such as 2, 3, or 4. This is useful for limited series, seasonal bundles, or structured learning programs with a clear finish. If your intent is ongoing access, leave it aligned with your plan's structure and messaging. You can also add a discount to make the offer more compelling. A small reduction can improve conversion rates and clearly communicate savings to shoppers. Be sure the discount aligns with your pricing strategy and still reflects the value you're delivering. When everything looks right, click Apply. That saves your subscription settings to this product. And that's it. Your digital product now has a subscription option with a clear name, a helpful tagline, the right billing frequency, an optional endpoint, and a value-boosting discount. Keep your language simple, your pricing transparent, and your benefits obvious, and you'll set your subscription up for success.